First, you need to go into the configure mode, right? Configure terminal. Once you enter into the configure terminal, like router config, here you need to type the IP routing to enable the routing process. Then you need to start configure your router EIGRP. Like the command is router EIGRP, the AS number, autonomous system number. Then network space, network ID, and the wildcard mask. Wildcard mask. If you have another network, you need to repeat the same command: network space, network ID, and the wildcard mask. Clear? This is what the syntax. So very first thing, you need to enter into the configure mode, global configuration. Then you need to enable the routing engine in the routing process in the router, but with the help of this command IP routing. Then the syntax is router EIGRP and the AS number, network space, network ID, and wildcard mask. So now what is exactly the wildcard mask? So we need to understand what is wildcard mask. Wildcard mask is nothing but, so you studied IPv4, right? So in IPv4, we have 5 classes: class A, class B, class C. The default subnet mask of class A is 255.0.0.0. The default subnet mask of class B is 255.255.0.0. The default subnet mask of class C is 255.255.255.0. This is the default subnet mask. Now, so what is wildcard mask? There is a formula for wildcard mask. So wildcard mask equal to global subnet mask divided by, followed by the actual subnet mask. This is the formula. If I am using what is global subnet mask? Global subnet mask means 255.255.255.255. This is your global subnet mask. Actual subnet mask means whichever the class you are going to use, that is your actual subnet mask.